At this point, you might think this is out of my league. Well, it starts with something everybody can use for personal and work-related matters. You see, all of the problems we have shown are complex. What do we do when problems are complex? We think they require complex solutions, get lost in complexity, and fail to achieve the needed results. What happens when we let go of this thinking and listen to the experts by experience? These are experts who have found highly effective solutions after our long-standing approaches failed. Quite often, they found simple solutions. Let's have a look at an example. On the one hand, health services delivers excellent treatment results. On the other hand, there are many of us who have found effective treatments after the advice was something like, "We are sorry, we cannot help you further. You have to learn to live with your illness." In my family, this happened for 7 health matters. Yet, we have found existing highly effective treatments for all these matters. When my severe back pain shows up, I know how I can get rid of it quickly. With ADHD, the daily emotional outbursts have disappeared for 17 years. In the case of dyslexia, learning to read happened within 6 weeks. What made this possible? For me, it was a matter of applying 2 laws of nature. They were part of my job with data center computers and organizational matters. Here is one of them. Water can be solid, fluid, or gas. The same applies to other substances like glass or iron. Whatever the state, it is still water, glass, or iron. When a tipping point is crossed, something fundamental changes. As water changes its state, we switch to the practices working well for this state. In the winter, we may enjoy a walk over a frozen lake. In the summer, we may swim in the lake. This is the tipping point law of nature. Simple, isn't it? In the complex world of institutions, organizations, and decision making, crossing tipping points is a regular occurrence. Until about the turn of the century, we switched from exact and linear practices to practices working well when the health of people and the organization was at stake. This used to be called common sense and intuition. But then, things changed. Physics and engineering had identified many laws of nature through exact practices. We thought what had worked for engineering would work for complex managerial, societal, and health matters as well. How wrong we were. The tipping point law was missing. As common sense and intuition disappeared from decision making, we missed the state change and we missed those laws of nature that cannot be expressed through exact practices. The consequence was that human led decision making overruled and continues to overrule laws of nature. Nature does not allow this. At first, this created growing service issues, high project failure rates, stress, and companies losing their competitive positions. When the second tipping point level was crossed, things started to boil. Symptoms became burnout, productive people losing their jobs, once prospering companies disappearing, unsolved problems being offloaded to the weakest in the system, and divided populations. How can we solve this? It starts by asking very few but the same hard to ignore questions. Questions which guide decision makers and the advisors to the simple solutions. Imagine what happens if we together ask these questions when decisions are to be made. Laws of nature occur. What practices do they demand? Does the decision improve or worsen the health of the people, organization, environment, or planet? If you suffer from any of the matters identified and want to talk with your manager, doctor, or politician, or you are a decision maker or an expert who wants to keep what works well and still explore fresh possibilities, I'd like to invite you to watch the following video for more insights and simple solutions. Thank you.